Hello and welcome to the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the third paper in the foundation tier and we're picking up in question 27. A bag contains counters that are red, blue, green or yellow. A counter is chosen at random. The probability it is red is 9 out of 100. Work out the probability it is green. So our only possibilities are red, blue, green or yellow. There are no other counters. The number of counters are given here, but a lot of them involve x terms. The probability it is red is 9 out of 100. Well, that tells us that there are 100 counters in total, because a probability is the number of desirable outcomes out of the number of possible outcomes. So in this case, if the probability it is red is 9 out of 100, then there are 9 reds out of 100 counters. So that tells us how many counters we're dealing with, which means if we add up all these expressions, we're going to get 100. In other words, 9 plus 3x plus x minus 5 plus 2x is equal to 100. If we gather all the x terms together and all the number terms together, we're left with 3x, which we're going to keep on the left, plus x plus 2x is equal to 100. Now the 9 goes over the equals, so it becomes negative 9. In other words, we're subtracting 9 from both sides of the equation. And the 5 goes over the equals, so it becomes plus 5. In other words, we're adding 5 to both sides of the equation. Now if we combine all these like terms, 3x plus x plus 2x, well 3x plus x is going to be 4x, 4x plus 2x is 6x, which is equal to 100 minus 9 is 91, plus 5 is 96, which means x is equal to 96 divided by 6. Now, if you remember the short division, 6 goes into 9 once, leaving a remainder of 3. 6 goes into 36 6 times, so x is 16. And why did I forget to put the equals in? If you didn't know that, this is a calculator paper. You could have just used a calculator. Now we know that x is 16 though, we can't stop there because we want to know the probability of picking a green counter. So the number of green counters are x minus 5. So x, well actually I'm going to put, I'm going to say green. Is equal to x minus 5, which is equal to 16 minus 5, which is equal to 11. And we remember that there are 100 counters in total, so the probability of picking a green counter is 11 out of 100. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.